Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak English FM.
Hi, Lucy. Hello, everyone. I'm Ben.
How are you feeling today, Ben?
I'm doing great, thank you. But I'm really excited and maybe a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because today we're talking about one of the biggest game changers for English learners, how to train your brain to think in English.
Train the brain? Wow, now I feel like we need tiny dumbbells for our minds.
Exactly. If you're tired of translating everything in your head, freezing during conversations, or feeling stuck even though you understand English pretty well, this episode is made for you.
We're going to share simple, practical ways to stop that mental translation and make English your natural thinking language.
We've both been through this struggle, and we've helped hundreds of learners make the switch, so stay with us.
Before we dive in, if this sounds helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really supports us.
And share this with one friend who's also learning English. Let's begin.
So, Ben, tell me, when you first tried to speak English freely, what was happening inside your head?
Total traffic jam. I would think in my own language, translate word by word, and by the time I opened my mouth, the conversation had already moved on. I sounded like a robot.
So many people face this exact problem. You understand English when you listen or read, but when you need to speak, your brain just freezes. You stay quiet in class, in meetings, or with friends. You become the champion of yes, no, and interesting. That constant mental translation is so tiring.
Me too. In meetings, I used to prepare amazing points, but when my turn came, total silence. My brain was showing error 404, English words not found.
And then comes the self-doubt. Why is it so easy for others but so hard for me? The truth is, it's not about being smart or not smart. It's simply that your brain was never trained to think directly in English.
Today, we're going to show you how to open that door and train your brain to think in English naturally.
The best part? It's simple and even enjoyable. No heavy grammar drills, just small daily habits.
Let's start with the easiest and most powerful one, narrating your daily life in English.
While brushing your teeth, think, I'm brushing my teeth now. The toothpaste feels minty and fresh. I should buy a new toothbrush soon. While taking a shower, the water is warm and relaxing. I need to wash my hair properly today. While exercising, my legs are getting tired, but I feel stronger. Just 5 more minutes.
I did this while walking or driving. The traffic is heavy today. That blue car is driving too fast. Wow, those clouds look beautiful, like cotton candy. After some time, my brain started thinking directly in English.
And here's a funny moment. One evening, I burned the onions while cooking. My first automatic thought was, oh no, the onions are getting too brown and crispy. I laughed alone in the kitchen because my brain had switched without me forcing it. Another time while shopping, I caught myself thinking, this blue shirt looks good, but it's a bit large. Maybe the green one is better.
You can also describe everything you see around you. On your way to work, that girl in the red jacket looks confident. The man next to her keeps checking his phone. The street vendor is selling fresh flowers. In the park, the children are laughing loudly. The old man is feeding the birds. The leaves are moving gently with the wind.
This builds comfort. Your brain slowly starts choosing English as its default language.
What if you don't know a word? Don't switch back. Just describe it. Don't know umbrella? Think that thing we use when it rains to stay dry. Don't know traffic jam? Think too many cars moving very slowly. This keeps your brain in English mode.
Now, let's talk about listening. It's super powerful.
Watch videos and shows you actually enjoy with English subtitles. Comedy clips, travel vlogs, cooking channels, interviews, anything interesting. At first, you may understand only 40-50%, but keep going every day. Your brain starts predicting what people will say next. That's when real thinking in English begins.
Repeat useful lines out loud. Phrases like, "That's a brilliant idea," or "I can't believe this happened," will start coming to you naturally.
Writing helps too. Keep a short diary every night, just 3 to 5 sentences. Today I felt confident because I spoke in the meeting. The weather was peaceful. Tomorrow I want to speak more English at work.
After a few weeks, many people start dreaming in English or wake up with English thoughts. That's the beautiful moment when you know the switch has really happened.
My first English dream was hilarious. I was arguing with a waiter about extra cheese on my pizza, all in English. I woke up smiling like I'd won something.
Some days will be harder. Your brain will want to go back to translation. That's completely normal. Just gently bring it back. Even 5 or 10 minutes counts as progress.
Here's a simple daily plan you can start right away. Morning. Narrate your routine while getting ready. Commute. Describe what you see and how you feel. Lunch. Describe your food and feelings. Evening. Talk about your day in English. Night. Write or record a short diary.
Use the small moments, waiting in line, washing dishes, folding clothes. Turn them into English thinking time.
Most people feel small improvements in a few weeks. Real confidence usually comes in 1 to 2 months. After some consistent months, thinking in English feels completely natural.
It's like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you're wobbly and scared. Then suddenly, you're riding freely.
Mistakes are normal. Smile, correct yourself, and keep going. Be kind to yourself, the same way you'd be kind to a friend who was learning.
We've seen amazing results. One student ordered food confidently after some weeks and even added, "Please make it less spicy." A professional finally spoke up in a meeting for 2 full minutes. A young learner now chats freely with international friends on video calls. Your success story can be next.
So start small today. Pick just one habit. Narrate your morning tomorrow.
Track your small wins. It keeps you motivated.
If you get stuck, come back and listen to this episode again. You're not alone on this journey.
Before we finish,
Yes, one last request.
if this episode helped you even a little, please give it a like.
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes.
Track your small wins. It keeps you motivated.
If you get stuck, come back and listen to this episode again. You're not alone on this journey.
Before we finish,
Yes, one last request.
if this episode helped you even a little, please give it a like.
Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes.
In the next one, we'll talk about how to sound more natural and confident.
Comment below. What is your biggest struggle with thinking in English right now? We read every single comment.
And please share this episode with at least one friend who wants to speak English fluently.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing gently. Your brain is far more powerful than you think.
See you in the next episode of Speak English FM. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Wow, we went longer than I expected, but that's what happens when you're having a real conversation.
It is. Thank you for spending this time with us. Whether you're on your morning commute, doing the dishes, or lying awake at night, we're so glad you're here.
Remember, every time you listen, your English ears get stronger, your confidence grows, and one day soon, you'll be the one telling your own travel stories in beautiful, natural English.
Exactly. So go gently into your day or night, dream of faraway places, and come back next week for another cozy chat.
We'll be right here. This is Lucy
And Ben?
from Speak English FM. Take care, friends. And if you're still listening, thank you. You make this podcast feel like home.